Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. I just wanted to do a video for beginners, people who are not already into the space, but they want to know how to get into the space. So this video is going to be a step-by-step just for those people. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to coinmarketcap.com and you're going to see out of 1,494 coins, you're going to see which one you want to buy, unless you already know which one you want to buy. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go and find the coin you want. Let's just say we pick number 13, Monero. You click on it and then you scroll down, you click on markets, and then you find out which market it is at. Okay, so let's go ahead and pick Binance. So you click on Binance. Okay, then you go to Binance.com, and I'm gonna go right here because I want to show you. Now, once you get to Binance, you're going to click register and create an account there. If it happened to be Cryptopia, you would go to Cryptopia and click register. If it happened to be Poloniex, you would create your account. If it happened to be KuCoin, you would sign up. And if it happened to be Bittrex, you would log in and then you would sign up as well. Okay, so click log in and then it'll ask you, don't have an account, sign up. Okay, so whatever it says right here in this list, okay, I'm down too far. Whatever it said in this list, you would just pick one that you want to go open an account at, or you can open up an account at several. Here's Poloniex, here's Bittrex, and you want to make sure that it says whatever coin you're interested in against BTC. Okay, for this particular exercise. All right, so let's just say we're going to do Binance. All right, so here we are at Binance. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're going to look for the part where you can deposit Bitcoins, because you have to have Bitcoins first before you buy any other coin in this experiment, in this video. Okay, so you look across the top in the tabs and it happens to be under funds and you'll click deposit. Okay, if it was on Poloniex, it would be balances and it's here, deposits. If it was Cryptopia, you look across the top, it happens to be here, deposit. If it was KuCoin, you look across, actually it's right here. Okay, so let's go back to Binance. All right, so you want to put in BTC. All right, here is your Bitcoin address. You can only send Bitcoin to this address. The symbol for Bitcoin is BTC, of course. So what you would do is you would take this address and you would copy it. If, sidebar, you're using your app on your cell phone, the Coinbase app on your cell phone, you could just click the QR code and scan this with your cell phone. Okay, if you're just using Coinbase on your computer, you would just take this, copy this. You can click here to copy it as well. You go to your Coinbase account, you're going to click send because you're going to send some Bitcoin. You would type in or paste in that address, and then you would say how much you want to send. So you want to send $100. All right, so you're going to send that, and then you would go ahead and click continue. All right, that is how you send Bitcoin from one place to another. And Coinbase is always, you are usually the place where people are holding their Bitcoins first, because this is the app that lets you get the Bitcoins from your bank account into the actual. It lets you get your money from your bank account, which is fiat dollars, regular US dollars or whatever, into the crypto space. This is the first step. And then you have to move the coins from here to, in this case, Binance. Okay, so now, after you do that, you wait an hour, because it takes about an hour roughly for your Bitcoins to go from one place to another, because there's 10 confirmations and it takes 6 confirmations a lot of times. Sometimes it takes 3, which would be 30 minutes. If it takes 4, that'd be 40 minutes. So anyway, you wait for an hour or so and your coins show up. So now your coins are here and you still want to buy, what do we say, Monero. So you click on exchange, go down to basic, and you're going to type in this symbol into the search field. So as soon as it comes up, you're going to go to the search field, type in XMR, click on it, XMR to BTC, then scroll down to the box that has buy. You're going to say how much you want to buy. All right, and you have to play around with this for a little while because it might not happen immediately, but you have to put in the amount you want to buy of this coin, which of course is going to be dependent on how much Bitcoin you have. So if you have $100 of Bitcoin, then you're going to have to put in however many of these you can get for $100. So you have to play around, get your calculator out, and figure that out. Once you get everything in, you're going to click Buy XMR. And then you wait a little while, and if your trade goes through, it'll show up right here under your My Order History, or another one it might say My Trade History. But those are the steps that you use to buy any cryptocurrency that you want to buy. All right, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section, and I hope this step-by-step video can help you out and move forward in the crypto space. All right, take care. Bye-bye now.